You wouldn't really get to experience that in real life, but in the virtual reality it made it possible to do that.
It can also show you what they look like more than just a picture in a book.
You put on this headset and it's like you're going into a different world.
The children love the VR experiences today. The devices bring the inaccessible elements of the curriculum into the classroom and just ignite curiosity, awe and wonder.
Because you can actually see it and it feels like it's actually real life.